Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So starting with the cleanse face, I'm going to use my favorite moisturizer. This is the Fresh Lotus Cream. This really helps, especially when I have dry skin, the winter time, the allergy season, when around my whole face has dry patches. This just saturates my skin so much and I truly love this product. You can see I'm working the moisturizer around the nose area. All right, let's tie up this crazy hair. And P.S. I think I'm going to cut my hair, but I can't cut it myself. So I'm gonna have my husband do it and I'm going to give him clear instructions as I'm demoing it on my mannequin head. So I hope this is gonna work out, but I'm not sure if I really wanna do this yet on camera or not. So we'll see. So starting off with the brows as usual, I'm just going to fill them in. I have to say, today was a pretty good brow day. I mean, I colored them easily and carving them with concealer, just shaping it, and I had an easy time. I mean, there are days where it's just, I don't know, literally a makeup block. But I did have a little problem in the inner part of the brow where I was like, oh, it needs a little bit of hiding in the center right there, and it was just perfect. So using the Mario or Makeup by Mario, I'm just going to use this palette to use as a concealer for my eyelids and a little bit under my eyes. This is going to help brighten my eyelids, give a nice even base, but it is going to double up as a eye primer. Honestly, I have no idea if I'm talking to my husband right now or if I'm just singing or possibly even talking to myself. But spring is just right around the corner, so I definitely just want to have a nice, fresh, peachy look. So I'm going to use my, I was going to say Peach palette, my Peach palette by Too Faced, and using that pinky color on the crease. This is going to be an extremely easy makeup look because I'm literally just using these two products. So the second shade I'm going to use is another lighter pink color, and this is just going to be placed on the lids. To make this look even more vibrant, I'm going to take my Lorac Neon Lights palette and apply that bright coral color onto the crease. And I'm just going to enhance the crease with a more vibrant coral peachy color. Now this is going to be a really funny looking type of mascara, but I promise it actually does its job. It may not do as much on my upper lashes, but later in the video as I'm applying onto my lower lashes, and you guys know I have like 3 lashes on the bottom, using this comb and just going left to right across my lashes actually colors them, lengthens them, but it does not get clumpy. So now I'm going to take a new pair of lashes and I'm just measuring my eye shape before actually applying the lash adhesive. So I'm just measuring to see how much I need to cut from the outer corners. Once I got those babies on, I'm here showing you what type of lashes I'm using, and it's Pixie. So close-up mirror approved and further mirror approved. Let's move on to Complexion. Now I'm going to mix my current favorite serum, which is by Flower Beauty. It's the CBD Skin Serum. I love that stuff so much. I'm mixing this with equal amounts apart of my ultimate favorite foundation, which is by Givenchy. And I'm using a sponge and just blending it in ever so lightly onto my skin. I really like using this, or this is my current favorite complexion look, is because it makes my skin very glowy, very dewy. It does have like a glass-like finish without having a lot of pearly effects or like glitter chunks. It just gives me a nice soft focused glow. Now I'm moving on to concealer, and I'm using the Bare Skin Serum. I love this concealer so much because it's so serumy, it's really silky, but it has enough brightening properties. It's just like the best thing on earth, especially when your under eyes are really dry. This is a perfect formulation. Taking another Bare Minerals product, this is their holiday palette. I'm going to take that warmth and just basically apply it to the highest points of my face, sculpting out my cheeks, but it's just a dabbing or patting motion where it looks softer and natural versus a stronger bronzer contour look. Moving on to blush. I'm going to take my cream blush here and just pat it into my cheeks. It may look like a lot, but it definitely blends out softer and it does rub off pretty quick. I mean, blush is always like the first thing that disappears on my face, so I'm going to pat extra on there. Then I'm going to go back around the eyes and add what is needed. I'm going to brighten my under eyes with this brightening pencil. And then I'm going to move on to that same mascara for my lower lashes. Going back to that Bare Minerals palette, I'm going to use that shimmery color for my brow bone highlight, as well as my inner eye corner highlights. Then I'm going to take a lip liner from Milk Cosmetics with Sunny's Face lipstick, and I'm going to pair this with a YSL, again, a peachy color gloss for that peachy effect lips. And this is my completed look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you guys are ready for spring, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!